Kardom, once again welcome to any Karbi Live, the mirror of society. This is Sir Mahintarang P. And today we have come all the way here to Jonaram Kiling village, Hanjang Langso, to attend the felicitation program. So, today here, the felicitation committee have decided with the aim of promoting education, they have hosted the first felicitation program here at Jonaram Kiling village, Hanjang Langso. Lasi aprangsi nangli tumhan nili tum Karbi any Karbi live hin pen kardom na pajirik lo kardom aprangsi nangli tumhan nili nang karjo question bang la puson hen lo pini ladak nangli tum felicitation program mate karcho me padoponik lo lasi bang solong nangli tum bang ko an phanma karcho pon lapen ko an ang denge chi un ke pachi un tum phan si karcho pon ma lasi narjo ponik lo
Kardom nili tumarong mane Jonaram Kiling Arong nili tumarong metric pass lake bangki thom ta un lablo lapen higher secondary mate krehini angdeng lake bangpli abang phulo lapen MA ke pass BA ke pass ta bang hini do MA ke pass la bang inut lapen BA ke pass la bang inut.
Okay, chorolo alang litum pen nonang than parjir milo alang litum matriculation HS lapen BA lapen ME ke chepa untum hanse piniladak felicitation program longbak archoponik lo not puthot ang deng kap thunang labangke alang liphanse arjuponik po nang liphanakar juji question bangke nangli tum la so bangso karcho pona mailong nangli tum la non la candidate tum han copy si not future long aphan ke pacharli dunji phan pi bidi suresi pidun lonedi
nase nili tum bang ke la bang ke kechengsi bang ke la bang soji tu ki unatum alang li tum bang kopi si kacharli ji aning hangma las bang so puthak setame alang li tum mathanang kokpo janutin setame kapre stream setame ba kapre line setame kacharli ji aning hang dothai rasi la bang so bang ka alang li tum aphan jitu kacharli dunji pusetame alang li tum chiti site pakka nangpo lapen dedicatedly mane alang li tum matha pakka pen se alang li tum charli pon se alang li tum jitu kimang la bang so pachun ji phan bang ke bori ponang po la bang so bang sin li tum alang li tum phan bang than pon pari ponang kong
chorolo alang ligi pupon ahok alam lo the sinon puthot ilitum dex invited guests ladak felicitation program long alang lit long le kapon tuna tangte sar nangli phanakar juji question mangla puson henlo ilitum asamang kanglong pangbardon lote ilitum karbyang long ke charle hin asap so pa phido do olang lasi nangli tum ladaka candidate tum lo bate karbyang long tum phan satame karbyang long do an ke charli also martum han kopisi nangli hin pen advice pi ponji
karbyang long along non aprang pen le compare dam pote position mi bom lo pining ke metric long ke 15 ring do lo ola sam long higher secondary long ke 18 ring anwang lo lason sinang mi bom lo lasi dak ke me pon bang ke itum Karbi ang long Karbi rong pen non nang litum dak litum rong lo dak Jonaram Kiling pen son ke pas mission na join ni pen pu pangrum pen sila son a percentage mi bom lo lasi thormiu so martum anso se chiting pen charlie kadogwe society pen chirabdon pen anso se paprang nun thek pen anso se percentage van theklu plote itum asam long ke itum da chepati dun unpo pusini ning thelo
alang di ahok lo chorolo alang ligi ning jipon alam thesitame ahok chenam lo lasinon puthot ka pontulo na lake kesi difu district committee long secretary alang li sitame lam the arjupon sena alang li pini ladak nai chitong don pen ladak candidates tum han kopi pia bidi sore tong alang li pipon lo ne la bang arjupon na lo na
aprangsi kardom pajir lo en Karbi live channel atum phan nili hin pen ki puponji po bangela pulo nili pini labang so mailong na chitong do na bangke ning organize tum phan stami ning aklong pen chorolo la pen pini la kadok ave ki pas tanga tum phan an sitami nili hin pen ki puponji po bangela pulo athe jasmet per athe pi ki en pon pen nili ka matha dama bangela pulo ka charli jong se ave pulo tangte kangting ko appear the chemande ta thek pu sini lipihin pen kamatha pon lo la se labang so ang deng ke lan le ka Charlie kang ton kok ning la pu galila ka Charlie ke mithang long kwan si ke thek ma lage mithang long si do thot po sinon la tuma phan bang ki pu ponji mate nilihin pen ki jongdam ji bo bangela pulo athe halabang so college sini dun vek po labang so college ne dun long le pulo tangte pulo bang so mindset bang dai mind long chi thap the den nang ji sinon ke ko piloma pulo tangte ki pass long bang ke pinanga na dim long bang na percentage ke lang pinak po sinon ladak 4000 long stami mission a college to la se kum so college si ki dun ji mala bang ke mithang long si decide ponang po ko pia college long ki dun si ni mithang phan ki mission ji ma lalo delhin pen ni pu point pa bang ke
Chorolo alang lipan lapuson jumisen alam ladak ki pass out candidates jumhan ke than podapot. Now next we are moving to the students who have recently passed out their HSLC, HS, BA and MA. Okay, Lassie, first we will move on with the ladies. Lassie, can you tell me your sweet introduction please?
Kardom, Nilimen, Sami, Tahinrong Parpi,
Okay, so what have you passed out recently?
the HS second year,
Can you tell me in what percentage have you passed out?
51%.
Okay, and also can you tell me from which college have you passed out your HS?
Eastern Karbi College.
Okay, thank you so much. Now moving next, can you tell me your introduction, please?
Yeah, Kardom, my name is Tankali. Now I have passed my HS second year in Eastern Karbi College.
Okay, thank you. And can you tell me how was your preparation for your higher secondary exam?
Good. It was good.
Okay,
And
you're happy.
yes, I'm happy. My father also
Okay,
teach that how to pass
okay,
in HS examinations.
okay. So you have your father has supported you a lot.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Once again, now we are moving to another girl. Can you tell me your introduction, please?
Hello everyone to any Karbi live, watching all of the people. My name is Hanjang Kiling and I am from Jonaram Kiling Arong. I have recently passed out HS second year. My percentage is 41.2. I passed out from science stream and my college I passed out from Eastern Karbi College. Thank you.
Congratulations to you. And now let's have a last talk with your introduction, please.
Kardom, Nilimen Thari Mongol Sing Kiling, Dak Nidakistan College Long Pensi, Biang Ding Chapa Undun Lo.
Kalang di lapen ang li preparation ko son no BA ang ding Bachelor of Arts di pa un ba?
Pulo Sapo Kasik Sakedu, Anta ini leche bor ibote, ang ding pangge pu bor ipon bote unji.
Kalang di ahok lo. Okay, so that's all. This is Sir Mahintarangpi from Jonaram Kiling Village. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you.